Also on the pandemic front, U.S. authorities have decided to maintain the country's transit mask mandate for about a fortnight starting next Monday amid a worrying rebound in COVID-19 infections. Our Eun-jin has more on their decision.
Amid demands from industry groups and Republican lawmakers that the Biden administration end the federal transportation mask mandate that's been in place for over a year now, U.S. health officials on Wednesday decided to extend the mandate, which had been set to expire on April 18th, for another 15 days through May 3rd. The mask mandate requires that masks be worn on interstate transportation and at transit hubs, including taxis, rideshare vehicles, and trains. This extension comes as a highly transmissible Omicron subvariant, known as BA2, became the dominant strain among new cases in the U.S., which has started to see a rise in infections. As of Tuesday, the U.S. was averaging more than 31,000 new cases a day, an 8% increase over the last 2 weeks. The city of Philadelphia is the first major U.S. city to reinstate an indoor mandate in order to get ahead of what could turn into another wave of the pandemic.
We hope that by having folks masked up whenever they're in public indoor spaces, we can get ahead of the wave and keep it from reaching a peak like we saw in January with the Omicron variant.
Meanwhile, the World Health Organization said that COVID-19 deaths worldwide have reached a record low. In its latest weekly report on the pandemic, the organization said that records show a 24% decline in global new cases from a week earlier, with the number of deaths down by 18%. But the WHO further warned that the decreases should be interpreted with caution. Eun-jin, Arirang News.